Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday and your girl gets some orders, and I just wanted to show you guys what I have in my shop and also some of the orders that people have been ordering. Super excited, super excited. My Etsy shop is the place that I get a lot of my orders. So I'm even thinking whether I should just keep one, which is Etsy, or I should still maintain my website because I don't get a lot of orders from my website. So keep watching. Hi, hello. I hope everybody is doing very well. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome. Today is another video, and I'm super glad to see Friday because it means that I have passed through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we are going to weekend. So super excited to still be alive, kicking and moving. I thank God that I'm able to get orders. As a small business, getting orders is exciting. And I love it. Anytime I get an order, I say, thank you, Jesus, for letting somebody visit in my store. So super glad. So today I got 3 orders and I decided that I want to pack these orders with you guys. And I also want to show myself that I'm a small business. I sell this stuff in my store. In case anybody needs it, you can come by and buy it from my shop. I have all my links in my description below. Etsy is one of the places I get a lot of my orders from. Our website is on Shopify, but I don't get a lot of orders from there. So I'm thinking whether I should keep it or not. So it's just kind of back and forth with it because I'm paying every month. And if I'm not getting orders, why? But Etsy, yeah, I'm getting orders from there. So thanks be to God. So today, as you can see, I have these clips here. I use it in my orders. And I also have a pen. I write their name, and I'm going to show you how I pack my orders, which is kind of different from other small business. So let's check this out. So my first order, I'll bring it here. I normally set everything up like somebody ordered chain, which I will tell you the name. 3 sizes. You ordered the smaller side, the middle one, which is the 60 centimeters, and the 90 centimeters. So I have 40, 60, 90, and I also have 100. And I'll show you how this chain, I saw this kind of wallet too. So when I started selling them, I realized that people will need a chain to go along with the wallet. So I bought the smaller one, like this is the 40 size. Yes, this is the 40. So I bought the 40 to go along with the wallet that I saw. So this is the wallet I saw, and this is the one I mostly use for my daily wallet. So when I bought the wallet, I realized that it has the holes. And a lot of people also have bags that would need this kind of wallet. So I bought other sizes to sell as well. So today somebody bought. So if you buy this kind of wallet from me, you get a smaller chain that goes with it. So that's how it is. So this is how it look like. It come in this shape, very cool and nice. So today somebody bought 3 sizes of the chain for me, and I'm going to pack it with you guys. So in case you need this kind of chain, I do sell some on my shop here. Go ahead. Very affordable. Yes. So the person bought a smaller one, the 40, 60, and 90. And normally, what I would do? Let's see. Let me take the receipt, the packing slip, and the packing out. So this one was bought by Tony. Thank you for buying from my shop. I really appreciate it. Okay. Then I'll give it a freebie, and I'll use the clip to clip it. So you can use this clip as well for other stuff too. And I also give you something to give it to somebody. So please bless somebody with this one. They also get a freebie. And this is my barcode. In case the person want to check my store out, they can also do that. And they also get a clip. And I have a lot of comment that they really appreciate me adding this because they gave it to a friend and they want to check me out. So I love doing this. And also I'm giving out these. This is a clip. So I'm giving out this one. I think I was gonna give, let's see, this one for this order. And I'm also giving a magnet design as well, which I'm also adding this one as a freebie, and the person ordered this. So that's how I pack my order. Then I'll put it in the bag like this. I bought some of the boxes that for my wallet, but they were too small, so I use it for the order still. But maybe when you buy 1 or 2, 3 wallet, I kind of try to fit it in. So now I'm asking that some people who have been using the boxes where they got their boxes from, and I did get a feedback from one of them, so that's good. So I'll put it here, and I'll add a chain 3 sizes, and I'll add my packing slip. I hope everybody is doing very well. Today was very productive for me. I kind of wake up to this morning to do the video, super excited. Then I'll go ahead and put the shipping slip, which I don't want nobody to see the person's name. So let me make sure I cover it, because one time I did some and I got a comment saying that you can see the name, which I don't want anybody to see anybody's name. I don't want to be in trouble. So let's see. Okay, so this is one order. This is one order. Then I have thank you for the order. So that's how it look like. So this is how it look like. So I'll put that one on the side and I'll show you the next one. Okay, so the next one I got is just a wallet. Super excited. Let me take this one. Let me take these ones out. And I got it from Brittany. Thank you, Brittany. Brittany bought a wallet, a white one, the A6. And write the name here. Okay. So this is how I do it. You get a freebie. Then you get one for somebody. Then this is what I also do. I make sure I check, make sure the wallet is good, everything is intact. So this is the wallet, the A6 one that I sell. Very affordable. And that's it. This one is okay, zip is okay. And I'm also giving them this one. I'm using the pink one for this order. Then I'll put it here. So cute. And I'll close it up. that. That's also a freebie. Then I'll also put this stuff. So thank you, Brittany. I really appreciate you. Then I'll put the packing slip also in here. Normally I will double check my packing slip to make sure I'm sending the right thing, because I have made a mistake before by exchanging like two people's order. So I normally will double check. So I'll double check that, which I did. Then I'll put it here. Okay. Then I'll put it in my envelope. And also for those of you who haven't heard, I'm going live on Sunday, which I'm going to make sure I do my flyers and send it across. So Friday we're going to count the money, the 100 envelope savings challenge that I got done. For low income, we're going to count it on Sunday. So watch out. Sunday we are going live. I can't wait. And there's going to be a lot of giveaway in that video. So okay, and make sure I cover the name very well, because I've done it before. Okay, so that's the second order for today. Super grateful. Thank you, Brittany, for ordering from my shop. Then the last order is this order. The person that ordered 20 envelopes. The plain one, that's all is left. The pink ones are gone. But I have a pink one for the A7. And I have the clear one for A7 as well. And a little bit of A6. And these are how they look like. And I can show you. So that's it. So in case you want very doable. So in case you need some envelope to get started, your girl gets you. The thing is that I don't do the labels, and also I don't customize it. It's just plain. So when you order it, some people can buy stickers and customize themselves. I don't do that because I don't want to promise and I cannot fulfill. So I saw the envelope like this. In case you want to buy envelopes, if you DM me or send me a DM on Instagram, I can tell you the people that has a very good envelopes and they are affordable. If I say affordable, I mean it. Yeah, because some of these envelopes can really, especially the customer ones, can really get expensive. So okay, so I have 10 each, and you also ordered the peach color. Let me make sure I take the shipping order. Yeah, so I'm double checking my order. So you did order the peach of the wallet. And this is how it also looks like. And this one is from Angelisa. I hope I pronounced the name right. But I check make sure there's a pesa outfit. It has a lot of space. Very doable. But affordable, yes. And if you go to my shop, you see the comment that people are making. I'm not lying. if I say it's doable and affordable. Not expensive, because it can be expensive. So the same for all the other ones. Let me write the name here. Thank you, Angelisa. I really appreciate you for checking my small shop out. There we go. I use the clip. Oh, I forgot to put this. And at times too, I'll make sure I put thank you sticky on it, which I forgot to do for the other orders, but it's okay. So this is how it looks like. And I also have to put my packing slip, double check to make sure I'm sending the right thing. So this is how I do my orders. Very simple. So I have 3 orders for today. And this one. So thanks to everybody for ordering from my shop. In case you want to check my shop, I have the link in my description. Thank you so much for watching me today to order this, to do these orders. I really appreciate everybody. Even if you haven't bought anything for me, for watching me right now, I'm grateful. So thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.